Hey everybody, Scott with UFO Community, and we've got a good sighting here. This was taken at Medford Airport in Oregon, and I'm pretty sure you're not allowed to fly your drones over an airport, so this to me is a really good sighting, and I'm zoomed in as much as possible here without losing the background, and this clearly is not a plane or a helicopter or a drone, and I've taken out the volume because it's very loud with all the plane engines in the background and the wind. And the only thing the submitter says is it's not a blanking bird. So yeah, check this thing out. It's moving pretty fast here, and pretty soon it's going to stop and just sit there and then start moving back to the left. So stay tuned for that. Now it's sort of going down into the right. So if you're thinking it's some kind of balloon or some kind of object being controlled by the wind, you see right here how it just stops. It clearly cannot be that. And pretty soon it's going to change direction here and start going back to the left. And that should be coming up, starting to move a little bit. And there it goes. And it's going back down. So we've hit over 250 subscribers. I think we're at 255 right now. That is so awesome. I'm so happy. Thank you everyone that's subscribed to the channel. And here it goes, moving the other opposite direction now. And so that takes out a lot of possible items as something that would just be floating, and it's booking now. And like the guy said, it's not a bird. It's too big, too fast, and birds don't sit still in the air. They have to keep moving. So this is definitely unidentified, and well, as I like to think, it's either us or them. So it's a great sighting. Yeah, again, thank you to all the subscribers. I really appreciate it, and if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, that would be great too. Leave your comments about this video in the comments section and let me know what you guys think. And thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. We got a lot of stuff coming up, so it's been a busy week. Hang in there. We'll see you soon.